because we're all suckers for things that no one else can have. Hello, children of the internet. This is Lucy Dimond McCreamy back with another lesson on ABC of online business. And today we are talking about letter L. L is for limit. Now you can choose to use the term limit in two different scenarios. First, if you're trying to sell something and it's just not selling, maybe it's because the product is pathetic or because you're charging an amount that should be able to get them a house in the Bahamas. It doesn't matter. When you start positioning your product as limited, people will rush to it because we're all suckers for things that no one else can have. So limited price, limited spots, limited copies, even if it's a digital download, limited anything will get people off their asses and start buying it. The second way to use the word limit is when you are trying to create a counter argument to someone who tries to or dares to question you, your ideas, your products, your prices, your refunds policy. All you have to do is to remind them that they have limiting beliefs. Now, limiting beliefs is a great umbrella term to shame anyone into silence. Any question, any judgment, any counter argument can simply be eliminated by reminding them that they have limiting beliefs and then offering them a clearing for $4,000. Just remember to smile nicely when you say it. Make sure everyone is watching and don't forget to send them a bill for the clearing. There you have it, letter L. I will see you very soon with another lesson. In the meantime, please start using these pearls of wisdom. Love and light, sister. Love and light.